In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Mobirise page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to update your page title and page description in Mobirise and how to write them so search engines and visitors understand what your page is about. First, log into Mobirise with your account so you can access your work. Once you're in, open your project from the dashboard. This ensures you're editing the correct site and the right page within it. Look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. That's the main menu. From there, go to Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages that make up your project. Find the page you want to optimize and click the small gear icon next to its name. This opens that page's settings panel, where you can adjust key information that search engines use. Inside the settings, locate the fields for page title and page description. These two elements are the foundation of on-page SEO. The page title is what typically appears as the blue, clickable headline in search results, and it also shows up in the Browser tab. Keep it clear, specific, and human-friendly. Aim for a concise title that includes your primary keyword near the beginning without sounding forced. Around 50 to 60 characters is a practical target, but focus on clarity over strict counts. Make sure each page on your site has a unique title so search engines can tell your pages apart. Next, write your page description. This is the short summary that often appears below the title in search results. Think of it as your elevator pitch for the page. In one or two sentences, explain what the visitor will find and why it matters. Keep it natural, informative, and benefit-oriented, and include relevant terms without stuffing. A range of roughly 150 to 160 characters works well, but prioritize a complete, compelling thought. As with titles, make every page description unique to avoid duplication across your site. A few practical tips as you write. Use sentence case for readability, avoid all caps or excessive punctuation, and reflect the actual content of the page so visitors get what they expect when they click. If it fits your brand, you can add your brand name at the end of the title or description, but only if it enhances clarity. When you're satisfied, close the settings panel. Mobirise applies these details to your page, helping search engines better understand your content and improving how your page appears in search results. That's all you need to optimize your Mobirise page title and description. Thanks for watching and happy building.